This is a modular hair pack where you can create any type of anime hair in few minutes. With more than 160 modular mesh, it makes the hair creation fun and easy. So, as a test, let's make two types of anime hair in few minutes. So let's make the first hair, just an example. Okay, let's go to meshes to see all the meshes we have. As you can see, we have multiple type of meshes. We have the back hair, the front hair, some hair preset that are already made, the head itself, and the ponytail type of hair, and the side hair. Okay, and some extra hair like the kitty hair type. So let's start with the front hair. As you can see, you have all these types you can choose from. Okay, like you can choose this, for example, if you want to. Just put it right here, and you can go and see it like that. Let's change it, for example, with this. Just select it, then replace static mesh. Voila, we have this hair here. Maybe we can choose maybe or this hair. This hair seems good. Okay, this hair seems good. So let's go now to the back hair. In the back hair, you have all these types that you can choose from. This, for example, if you want to make a short hair, for example, just make it right. Put it right here. And just get it in front. Okay, that's it. Here it is. You can make this short hair, or maybe this. Like choose this one, then just replace it with this. If you want different type, maybe for a guy, or maybe with some braids, just choose it, then replace. Then this, if you want this one. For me, I think I like either this one or this one. I really like this too. So let's choose this, and let's replace it with it. Bam. Now we have this hair, as you can see, which is a pretty good quality with just few clicks that is already made for you. Okay, so now let's make some extra hair. Okay, like let's give him some extra hair. Let's go to extra 1 or extra 2. As you can see, this you can have this kitty hair, for example. Like, for example, put it right on top of it. It will be up because the origin point is a little bit off for some reason. And let's put it right here. Now you have this kind of hair. Or you can replace this with maybe this. Oh no, I just choose this and then go here, then replace and choose this if you want this, for example. Or maybe you want this or this, maybe. Let's see. Choose this and then replace this. Have some extra hairs like that. Or maybe you can choose this from this one. Maybe let's delete this and let's choose this one. Put it on top of it. It's up there. Let's go. Just put it a bit down. Up. There it is. Up a bit also. Put it right here. Right. So you can put like some extra hair like that, or maybe this if you want. Let's leave it like that. It looks good. Okay. And of course you have some like ponytails, some side hair that you can add it if the hair is short. You can do basically whatever type of hair you want to make. Now let's make the second hair. Maybe we make this like a short hair. Okay, so I did a copy. Now let's choose the back of the hair and let's go for something short. Maybe this one. So let's replace with this. Now we have this short hair, right, which look nice. And maybe let's change this. Now let's leave it like that and let's go to front hair, and maybe I was eyeing this one, which was this one. Yeah, exactly, this one with the braid. So let's do this. Let's replace it. Voila. Now we have this kind of second hair. kind of forget the face, the most important feature, which look like that, which look very nice. We can now change this. Maybe let's go to the back hair and choose maybe this one. Let's see. Yeah, like it looks different, that's for sure, but not that much of difference. So let's maybe go for maybe this. Or maybe this. Let's choose this. Go for this one. There we go. Now we have different kind of hair. Maybe a little bit short, not just this short. So let's go for this maybe. So bam, something like that, to make it look very nice. And this is it. We have made. Oh, we can of course change this if we want in the extra hair. Maybe replace it with this. And let's add it a second extra. Maybe this. Let's go a bit off. Let's put it right here. It's not showing it. There it is. Something like that maybe. Do we get this? Or maybe when we did this, let's add the ponytail, right? Like why not? Can add this. Let's put it directly on top of it, just to have it like that, and just take it down. A little bit in front, so let's make it like that. What do you think? I think it's a lot better. It's cute, it's cozy. It's maybe replace it with this. Replace it with this. Yeah, you can definitely do that. Or maybe just a small one. I feel like just a small one will make it a lot better. Yeah, like just something small like that. Definitely will give it more life. And this is it for the second hair. Oh yeah, we can add some side hair actually. Kind of forgot that, so let's do that. Let's see if we can add some side hair to make it very nice. While she did some braids, so maybe this better. Something a little bit longer, if you want to. Or maybe this one. So yeah, definitely preferred this one, which was a lot more cute. I think it the short hair make it look a lot better. We can leave it like that if we want, or we can delete it, or we can add it this one. Something just small like that. Yeah, like actually this is good. And this is the second hair. And basically we have finished. We have made two types of hair in few minutes, and they both look nice. Here I just maybe prefer to not add it as side hair, because I feel like this hair is already looking nice. We don't need to make it more than that. And this is it. We have finished it. Thank you for watching, and you can buy the full pack with everything in it in the links in description. Thank you for watching.